Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to write a blog post or an article using Chat GPT. So the first step is to sign up on Chat GPT. If you haven't signed up, then make sure you watch our video on how to sign up and create your account. So once you've signed up, you have your dashboard, and the first step is to click right here on new chat. So once you have a new chat right here, then you just have to start giving ChatGPT certain instructions to work with. Okay, so the first is getting a topic for your article. If you already have a topic, then you don't need to generate a topic. But if you don't have a topic, just tell ChatGPT to come up with a topic. Okay, so this is how you do that. You say write topic ideas on let's pick something, freelancing. Okay, then click on enter. Once you click on enter, ChatGPT will come up with topic ideas about freelancing. Okay, you can see right here you have very good ideas. So let's just pick one, okay, which is the benefit of specialization as a freelancer. Okay, so now we have our topic. The next step, according to our outline, is to write an introduction. So you can say write an introduction for, okay, so you can either say for number, okay, we chose number 6, so you can say for number 6, which is this one, benefits of specialization as a freelancer, or an introduction for, and then you type out the topic, okay, and click on enter. So right here ChatGPT will come up with an introductory paragraph, and it's very easy to generate this, and it's of high quality, so you can definitely use this for your website or your blog. So once you're done, if you don't like this, you can just click right here on regenerate response, and then you get a new output. So right now we have our topic, right now we have our introduction. The next step is to write our H2s, okay, which is essentially the outline. So you just tell ChatGPT to write out subheadings, and the instruction is write out and explain, okay, 5 benefits of specialization as a freelancer. Okay, then you click on enter. Okay, so right now ChatGPT will come up with 5 benefits of specialization, write them out, and then explain them. This is very good because it just helps you write with minimal involvement, unlike other writing tools like Jasper AI. Okay, so right here you can see we have our H2s, the 5 benefits of specialization as a freelancer. This is very easy to use, and it's just way better. Increased expertise, niche market, better time management, greater job satisfaction, better job prospects. Okay, these are very reasonable and human-like content. Now if you don't like this, just click on regenerate response right here, and then ChatGPT will come up with a new set of responses. So right here we're generating new responses. Okay, this is very good. Okay, so right now we have our H2s. Now if you want some H3s, then you can definitely tell ChatGPT to write H3s. So for example, right here we have a H2 that says increased expertise. Now if you want some H3s or some subheadings under this, you just copy that H2 which says increased expertise, then you tell Chat GPT to write 3 ways, okay, by which specialization leads to increased expertise. Okay, so we're trying to write H3s using this H2, so we're trying to write subheadings under this one. This is a good way to increase the length of your blog post. So just click on enter, and then Chat GPT will come up with 3 ways by which specialization leads to increased expertise. So you can definitely just copy these and then put them under that H2 that we used earlier. Okay, so this is very good, high quality content, very easy to come up with. Okay, practical experience, focused learning, and continuous improvement, which are very reasonable H3s. Okay, so now we have our introduction, we have our H2s and H3s. The next step is to write our conclusion. Okay, so you have to tell ChatGPT to come up with a conclusion paragraph. So the instruction is write a conclusion for the article, and you click on enter. Okay, so okay, an error occurred. This, and write this in a way that ChatGPT will understand. So instead of saying write a conclusion for the article, I'll say write a conclusion paragraph. Okay, then I'll click on save and submit, and then ChatGPT will come up with a conclusion. Okay, so let's see. Okay, this is really good. So right here we have our conclusion paragraph written, and very easy to use, very good article, 100% unique article. Okay, so now we have our article, and the next step is to copy your introduction, your H2s, H3s, and conclusion, put them in your notepad or your Google Sheet, and then edit and proofread if necessary, and also check for grammatical errors with Grammarly. However, ChatGPT has minimal to no errors, but it's still advisable to check and just be sure that your article is 100% grammatically correct. And if you got some value from this video,